Okay, so here we have the Kia Deso LED work lights. This is a set of two. I've got one behind us right there. These are going to be work lights, and actually they are battery packs as well. They're very handy to have in your car or in your bag, anywhere where you need to have light. These are going to be a very good option for you. We'll go through and we'll do a demo of these guys both on the car, and we'll even do one with the lights all the way off so you can see just how bright and useful the light is. We'll go through and talk about some of the features we really like, some of the things we'd improve. But before we jump in, I want to thank Kia Deso for sending us these ones here so we can do this demo and review for you guys. Okay, so starting off with the light itself, it does have a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom, and you can see here it is also magnetic. So if I wanted to stick it on right there, you can see I can do that. So it is both magnetic and can be mounted onto a stand. Both things you want from your work light. So very versatile for where you are going to place it. Very easy. Pop it right there. I could just leave it there until I need it and bring it off. Okay. Next, it can be easily positioned up and down. That's also something that you're going to want to be able to do as you're working on a car, on your boat, or just in your garage, or even if you're digging a hole in the ground at night. Going to be wanting to be able to angle the light. We've got quite a few settings here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It's going to be pretty bright. So we've got our bright setting. We've got a warm light. We've got, very bright. We got the red light, which is going to attract less insects. So if you are working on something at night, maybe you want to use the nice red light. This is a slightly bluish green one. We've got the super low kind of, I've been calling it just glow in the dark. But yeah, so it does appear that these strips have some kind of, iridescence to them after they've been charged. So you can see them at night in the dark. They do glow just a tiny bit. Not sure if that's by design or not, but it is super handy and helpful when trying to find these guys. Yeah, they're really great for just put them on your hood, just like we have here. And you can see now I can work on the engine very easily without having to turn all the lights on or get a flashlight, anything like that. I can just angle the light to where I need it. Now that does bring me to one of the areas where I do think they could improve upon with the work light, and that is a second degree of motion. So we have 1 degree of motion here. We go up and down, no problem. To go left and right, we'd either have to rely on the whatever it's mounted on with the 1/4 inch thread, or to turn the magnet. Now for a car like my Mercedes here, most of this hood is not magnetic. So you can only put it on the mounts, basically, so the latches. And so as a result, you can't turn it. And there are other cars and places where that's going to be the case too. So a second degree of motion would be really nice. And I think the other one would be just increasing the detent on the angle. So it does hold. It holds really well. But it's a little too easy to change. Just making it a little firmer, a little more force to be able to turn it would be really nice. You can see here we have our different brightness values. So lots of different modes there for light. All right, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to turn off all the lights. You'll see just how well these guys work. So there we have it. That's 1 light. Here's 2 lights on wide, and put that guy right there. Or I can put it over here, and you guys can see plenty of light for me to continue working as if there were. So let's say I'm on the side of the road in the middle of the forest. I can still see everything that I need to in order to be able to do what I have to do. And all that with just one of these little guys here. 1500 lumens, 4000 milliamp hours, very easy to recharge. Just pop a little USB cable right in there and you're good to go. So there you go. Those are the magnetic work lights from Kia Deso.